The name of the article, Evaluation of the Effect of a Godhumadi Upanaha Sweda in a Niramaj Katigraha and Open Clinical Trial. This article published in the International Journal of the Research in Ayurveda and Pharmacy, written by the Dr. Tarun Kumar. Okay. Dr. Tarun Kumar, Dr. Rajashekhar V. Sanapeti. Okay. Abstract. Katigraha is a condition in which a Kati Pradesh, that is a low back, is affiliated with either a Sudha, Shuddha Vata or a Sama Vata. Shuddha Vata means a pure Vata, and a Sam Vata means a Vata is a combined with Ama. That is toxin released from the undigested food, and a symptom like a Ruja and a Stamba is a present. Katigriha is often correlated with the low back pain and the stiffness. About 60 to 80% of the general population in India suffer from the low back pain during their lifetime. Upanaha, that is a poultice Svedan. Sudation is one of the treatment mentioned for the Katigraha. In a Katigraha, the affiliated with a Shuddha Vata, that is a Niramaja, that is without Ama Katigraha. Vatanashak means which reduces Vata. Upanaha is required. So, in the patient who are having a Niramaja Katigraha, Godhumadi Upanaha was used once a day for 7 days. Subjective parameters were a Ruja, Stambhadhata, and the oscillatory disability index. Niramaja Katigraha patient, when a treated with a Godhumadi Upanaha, show a 34.18 effect in a relieving pain and 22.67 effect in a Stambha, 27.71 effect in a oscillatory disability index change. Ruja and Stamba was due to a Shita Ruksha properties of a Vata. Drug used were having a Snigdha property and a Bruhana effect. So along with the Ushna property of a Upanaha, it helped in a pacifying, relieving a Niramaja Katigraha. As a Godhuma, the Upanaha show effect in the management of a Niramaja Katigraha. So along with the other treatment modalities, it will be helpful in treating a Niramaja Katigraha in the better way. Introduction. Kati Pradesh, that is a low back, when afflicted with a Shuddha, that is a pure Vata, or a Sama Vata, Vata combined with Ama, that is a toxin released from the undigested food, and the symptom like a Ruja with the Stamba is appreciated, then this condition is called as a Katigraha. This can be correlated with a low back pain. It is the most common disorder which is characterized by a dull or a sharp pain, may also associated with the stiffness. About 60 to 80% of the general population in India suffer from a low back pain during their lifetime due to several stressful factors seen in their professional or the social life, and also due to a wrong postural habit. Svedan is one of the treatment modality mentioned in the Katigraha, and Upanaha is one among the various type of Svedana. The selection of a drug varies according to the avastha of a disease, as there are two avastha or a condition mentioned in the Katigraha, is that Samajanya, that is with Ama, and Niramajanya, that is without Ama. Specific type of Upanaha poultice is required for each avastha. Hence, a study has been carried out with an objective to evaluate the effect of a Godhumadi Upanaha Sveda in a Niramaja Katigraha, that is a low back pain. Objective to evaluate the effect of a Godhumadi Upanaha Sveda in a Niramaja Katigraha, low back pain without Amaja. Material and the method, study design and open clinical trial, diagnostic criteria, Ruja and this Stamba, that is a Sweta, inclusion criteria, patient presenting with a classical lakshan of Niramaja Katigraha, the patient who are fit for the Svedana, the age group between 20 to 60 years of either sex, exclusion criteria, Samajah Katigraha, that is a low back pain with Ama, present with the Sama Lakshana, Gauravata, Aruchihi, Agnimande, Alasya and the Mukha Praseka. Low back pain result from the osteoporotic fracture, infection, neoplasm and other mechanical derangement. Patient associated with any other symptomatic disorder, patient with the history of a trauma, known case of a skin allergy and the open wound and the post-surgical backache. These are the exclusive criteria. Sources of data, subject of a Katigraha fulfilling the inclusion criteria were selected from the OPD or IPD of a KLEU Shri BMK Ayurveda Hospital and Research Center, Belagavi. Then study plan. Study was started after taking a ethical clearance and the consent was taken from the subject, and study was in accordance with the ICH and GCP guidelines. Okay. Medicinal powder Godhumadi Upanaha. Medicinal powder Godhum, that is a wheat powder, 50 to 75 gram. Tilakalkaha 30 to 45 gram. Erandamula powder 100 to 150 gram, and Saindhavaha. Then Drava Gokshir, that is Goshir, that is milk, and oil Til Telha. Okay. Then method of a collection of a data. 27% patient who had fulfilled the inclusion criteria were selected after taking a consent. Patient question and examined on the basis of a performa and the clinical test. Upanaha, that is a poultice method. Preparation of a method. Take a medicinal powder in a pan, add 100 ml of gokshir to it and mix it well. Now add erandamul powder to again add 100 ml of milk to it and milk it well. Now add a til kalaka, then saindhav and til tel to it. Make it is a consistency duff like. Main procedure: the patient should lie in a prone position on a abhyanga. Expose the part to be treated, that is a Kati Pradesh, low back. Check a skin sensitivity for the temperature and any allergy. Local abhyanga with a tila tela for 5 minutes. The prepared paste is then pasted over the affected part, that is a low back, uniformly of about 5 mm thickness. Cover it with a proper sharp eranda leaves, then tie with a cotton bandage. Post operative procedure: after removing upanaha, gentle massaging is done and clean well with lukewarm water, and the patient is asked to move joints slowly. These are the oscillatory disability in index total score, visual analog scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the effect on the Godhumadi Upanaha in Niramajavastha, BAs, Stambha and OSDI. All are these significant. You can see on the screen this table. Discussion: how much a patient are get relief by the Godhumadi Upanaha. Okay. Effect of Godhumadi Upanaha in Niramajavastha patient, this one. So Godhumadi Upanaha was a significant effect in treating Ruja and Stambha in a Niramajavastha. Might be because of Ruja and Stambha was due to a Shita Ruksha properties of a Vata. Drug used were having a Snigdha properties and a Bruhana effect. So as long as with Ushna properties of Upanaha, it help in pacifying a Vata dosha and thus help in relieving a Ruja and a Stambha. Probable mode of action of Upanaha: the lipoidal bond is very much suitable for the penetration of a drug molecule through the stratum corneum. On the basis, we can assume that in a Upanaha, til helps in the formation of a lipoidal bond with the other drug, thus help in a penetration of a drug molecule. Upanaha is a type of Svedanaha. So it is induces a hyperthermia, which improves the local blood and the lymphatic circulation, and thereby improving the local tissue metabolism, reduces inflammation by modifying the secretion of a various inflammatory mediator, relaxes the local musculature by the physical effect of a heat, and therefore reduces a pain, increases the rate of a transdermal drug delivery. Most of the drug used having alkaloids, thus they are doing the inhibition of the prostaglandin, which in a turn decreases the inflammation, and some of the drug having a flavonoids also, which play a role in an antioxidant effect. Conclusion: in this clinical trial, 27% of a Niramaja Katigraha were selected. Godhumadi Upanaha in a Niramaja Katigraha show 34% effect in relieving Ruja, 22 effect in Stambha, 27 in a oscillatory disability index change. As a Godhumadi Upanaha show effect in a management of a Niramaja Katigraha. So along with the other treatment modalities, it will be helpful in a treating the Niramaja Katigraha in a much better way. Okay, thank you so much to listening me this article. That is the evaluation of effect of Godhumadi Upanaha Sveda in a Niramaja Katigraha, an open clinical trial. Thank you.